I have OnePlus 6 and let me show you how to insert here two Nano SIM cards. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to open the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's simply open the slot by using some kind of the paper pin or special eject tool. Here I have the simple paper pin. Let's just press it. And now you can remove the whole thing from your device. As you can see here, you can insert two Nano SIM cards. So let me do it. Let's insert the first Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here, and let's put it in that position. Let's also insert the second Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here, and let's put it in that way. Alright. Now you can put the whole thing into your device. Let me just prepare the tray. Alright. Let's push it right here to the end and simply press power key to switch on the device. So let's wait a couple of seconds until the device will be ready to use. And let me check out if I can use two Nano SIM cards. Alright, let's unlock the screen right here. Here let me find and select the list of all apps, choose settings. Then from the list of settings you need to find and select Wi-Fi and Internet. Choose here SIM and network. As you can see, two SIM cards are active, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.